Hello, I'm Dr. Amrut Oswal. I'm an orthopedic surgeon working at the prestigious Big Institute of Maharashtra in Pune, KEM Hospital. We have been doing joint replacement surgeries in this institute for last 30 years. We have a dedicated state-of-the-art operation theatre where we do only joint replacement surgeries and nothing else. So that can prevent a lot of complications. Hip joint is a ball and socket joint and takes the weight of the body while walking and running, and because of the old age, accidents, or because of some surgeries like kidney transplant where the blood supply of the ball goes, the joint gets worn out very much. It becomes irregular, rough, and the patient has to walk with a limp. He suffers a lot of pain, he becomes immobile, and he also becomes dependent on the relatives. His quality of life also suffers. So this hip joint replacement surgery has been a big boon for such patients, wherein after the surgery, the patient can usually walk the very next day. He forgets his pain, he becomes mobile, and there is a tremendous improvement in his quality of life. And with the advent of new implants like artificial ball and socket, the surgery lasts almost for 30 years, so that patient doesn't have to go repeated operations for the same thing. So similar to hip replacement, we also have been started doing total shoulder replacement surgeries for last 7 to 8 years. Like hip, even the shoulder gets worn out because of the age and the accidents, and for some other surgeries also. And with the replacement surgeries, again the patient becomes mobile, independent, and there is a tremendous improvement in his quality of life. We at KEM Hospital offer all these operations and surgeries. Thank you very much.